What if you and I were just a character in his game? What if everything you see, are, know, and experience just a sequence of ones and zeros? Welcome. Today, I'm going to tell you why you're most likely the creation of someone else's imagination through the simulation theory. The person that actually started the theory was Nick Bostrom, a philosopher in Oxford. In a 2003 paper, he stated that what if in the future our descendants made a simulation of us in the past? The computer power would be so advanced that it will be indistinguishable from reality. So, to put it in simple terms, the theory goes like this. Say it's 500 years in the future and a new game came out called How We Were. It's like The Sims, but everything will be just like it was in the old days. For example, if the player chose to start the game in the year 2021, humans would be on the second year of quote-unquote lockdown since that event is coded in the game. So the question is, why do many famous and smart people agree or support this theory, and what makes people come to that conclusion? CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, agrees with the theory, but why is that? Why does he agree with it? Well, on a podcast called The Joe Rogan Experience, Elon stated the following. We're most likely to be simulation because we exist. Chances we're not simulated are 1 in billions, he said. In an interview, he also said, 40 years ago, we had palmed 2 rectangles and thought, now, 40 years later, we have photorealistic 3D simulations with millions of players playing simultaneously, and it's getting better every year. And soon we'll have virtual reality. Games will be indistinguishable from reality. Maybe we should be hopeful this isn't a simulation, because otherwise we'll create simulations that are indistinguishable from reality, or will cease to exist. So, contrary to what I said at the beginning, what if aliens were to be behind this? Then this could also explain and solve the Fermi paradox, which asks the question, where is everyone? Everyone being aliens. Another person who agrees, as well as he disagrees, is Neil deGrasse Tyson, who says the odds of us being a simulation are better than 50-50. He explained that probably the reason we can't travel at the speed of light is because we would be able to reach other places because they could be programmed to exist. Now, if we were in a simulation, it is so similar to reality, we would only be able to figure out the mistakes in the code. Say you put down your cup of coffee and table, look through your phone, or go to another room, and it mysteriously vanished from the table. Then could this also explain all the missing keys and socks from the washer or dryer? Could this be a sign of glitches or lag in the simulation? If so, they need a better router because it's quite off right now. I bet their router looks something like this. They need to upgrade for sure. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Something I have noticed throughout these 2 or 3 years is that you suddenly wake up one morning, it's Monday, and you go to sleep, wake up again, and all of a sudden it's Friday. How is it Friday? I mean, good, but what happened to Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday? I'm still trying to process what happened on Monday, and I don't even remember what I ate on Tuesday. But what if the player just decided to press the skip forward button to skip the pandemic? But I'll leave that to you to decide whether we are in a simulation or not. It's up to you.